Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below and to give this video a big thumbs up and of course share with others. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple grilled tasty kebab. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So the ingredients that we're going to use today, we have some cow meat, or you can use any minced meat that you prefer. Then we have some salt, we have some garamasala, ginger and garlic paste, some coriander, turmeric powder, black pepper, green chili paste, we have some lemon or you can use lime, and we have an egg, one red onion or the white onion, and we have different types of capsicum. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So the first step, you're going to take your onion and slice the onion into small pieces like so. Then afterwards, you're going to take your capsicum, or another name is bell pepper. I've used the green one, red one and the orange one, and cut them into small pieces. Once you're done, you're going to take the bell peppers and the onion and place them in a bowl. Then afterwards, take your coriander and cut it into small pieces. Once you're done cutting the vegetables, then you're going to take your minced meat. I've used cow meat, approximately 800 grams, or you can use any minced meat that you prefer. Add some salt, black pepper, garam masala, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic paste, some green chili paste. Then add the vegetables. Make sure you squeeze them thoroughly to remove the juice out from the vegetables. Then add some coriander leaves, one egg, and lastly squeeze one lemon, or you can use a lime, and mix everything well and nice. Once you're done mixing all the ingredients very well, you're going to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes of marination, mix the minced meat once more. Then take your skewers. I've used the wooden ones, or you can use the metal ones, and shape your kebabs like so. After shaping your kebabs, then you're going to bake your kebabs at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, 15 minutes on both sides. Once you're done baking your kebabs, this step is optional, but if you're going to try it, your kebabs are going to taste incredible, delicious. Take your pan, then add approximately 2 tablespoons of butter and let the butter melt. Then you're going to add the onions. Then afterwards, place your kebab and cover them to let it cook or to let it simmer for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, or once the onions are golden brown, then your juicy grilled kebabs are ready, and remove them out from the heat. And our grilled or sheikh kebabs are ready. As you can able to see in the video, it looks so juicy. I can't wait to try these kebabs. Bismillah, let me try out these grilled juicy kebabs so you can able to see how nicely baked they're inside. Oh my god, they're so juicy, they're soft, and they taste incredible, delicious. I have my tamarind sauce, my green chili paste. It's so tasty, and the combos of the onions, oh my god, it's a 10 out of 10 guys. You can eat these kebabs with some naan bread, some fries or some rice, and enjoy your grilled kebabs. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you've enjoyed this incredible, delicious grilled kebab. And if you've enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and of course share with others. And see you next time. Bye bye.